Welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing a classic homemade sweet Besan Suji Laddu, rich, aromatic and perfect for festivals or everyday cravings. Let's start the recipe. Take half cup ghee for the Suji Besan Laddu. First add 1 tablespoon ghee in a pan. Add half cup suji and roast on low heat, stirring continuously. Roast for 2 minutes. Then remove 1 tablespoon roasted suji for coating later. Add 2 tablespoon dry fruits and roast for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep the mixture aside. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoon ghee, 1½ cup of gram flour. Keep stirring on low heat. Gradually add the remaining ghee from the half cup total ghee. Roast for 8 to 10 minutes until the mixture releases ghee and turns aromatic. Always roast besan on low heat to avoid bitterness. Continuous stirring prevents burning and lumps. Gram flour is rich in plant-based protein. Ghee supports digestion when used in moderation. Pour the roasted besan into a plate and let it cool for 5 minutes. Add the roasted suji and dry fruits mixture. Add 3/4 cup powdered sugar into the warm suji besan mixture. Mix well. Add sugar only after the mixture cools slightly. While the mixture is warm, shape into laddus. Shape laddus while the mixture is still warm. Homemade laddus avoid artificial flavors and preservatives. Dry fruits add minerals and healthy fats. Coat the laddus with the reserved roasted suji. Besan laddus are one of the most popular Indian festival sweets. Roasting slowly brings out the nutty aroma of gram flour. Suji adds texture and helps balance softness. Laddus were traditionally made to store well for days. Your Besan Suji Laddu is rich, fragrant and perfectly homemade. Enjoy it with family or gift in during festivals. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Innovin Cake and Cookies for more traditional sweets.